Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the heated seats, also known as ventilated seats, fuses and relays on Jeep Cherokee, that generation from year 2014 to year 2023. It will cover both heated and ventilated seats. We'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays, and by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts to fuses, relays, we'll put the information in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out if you need something, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what you can expect to find, okay, now the fuses, relays for the heated seats and the ventilated seats as well. Quick advice, you have a few hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video people told us save them a lot of money. What we need to do now, open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working a fuse box that's easy to get to. Facing the engine, and that's your engine on the right side. This is on the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs, lift that cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Now, we need to check 3 fuses. We'll talk about relays in a little bit. The first fuse that we will need to check specifically for that is fuse number 55. This micro 3-blade fuse right here, that double fuse. Then we need to check fuse number 63 and fuse number 64. So these 3 fuses will need to be checked. What about a relay? You do not have any relays. The fuse is known as a relay fuse, and that will be the only thing that you will need to check. The relay function practically is controlled most likely by the BCM, the body control module on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.